Not everyone smiles at you, is your well-wisher. Here are signs someone is secretly jealous. Backhanded compliments. You're smart for someone like you. Copying you, then competing with you. Downplaying your achievements. Sudden silence when you share good news. Subtle sabotage or fake support. Overfocus on your weaknesses. Passive-aggressive jokes. Stay alert to protect your peace. Woman in lotus position sparkles. Comment if you've seen these signs. Backhand index pointing down. Want people to like you in seconds? Use these science-backed tricks. Repeat their name during conversation. Mirror their body language subtly. Let them talk about themselves more. Use open palms while talking equals trust. Nod while listening equals makes them feel understood. Ask them for a small favor. Ben Franklin effect. Compliment something specific, not general. Use with kindness, not manipulation. Winking face. Which one will you try first? Speech balloon. Backhand index pointing down. Your brain is tricking you right now. Here's how. You recognize faces in random patterns. Pareidolia. Brain edits your memories over time. You create fake reasons after making choices. Cognitive dissonance. It replays embarrassing moments randomly to keep you alert. Fills in missing info to complete stories. False memories. You finish others' sentences mentally, even if they're wrong. You feel like your phone buzzed even when it didn't. Phantom vibration. Our brain is weird, but amazing. Which brain glitch surprised you the most?